Alright, so let's go to change the chain and sprocket. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, hello universe, Wanderson here. And yeah, I'm going to change finally the chain and the sprocket of my bike. So finally I'm doing that. I had to do it before I go to a ride or something. Right now my bike is let me check, 26,684 kilometers, and this is the second time I'm changing the chain and the sprocket. The first time I changed it is after my Udaipur ride. If you haven't watched my Udaipur ride, yes you should. There's a playlist. Here's the I button, you can check it out later after this video. So there was the time when I was around 12,000 kilometers when I changed the stock chain and the sprocket. But now this is the second one, so I'll be getting the third one. So right now 26,000 kilometers, so more than 14,000 kilometers, almost 15,000 kilometers. I should have changed the chain and the sprocket at 25,000 or maybe 24,000, but the chain and the sprocket is making noise since a couple of thousand kilometers. It is actually gone after 21,000 kilometers or 22,000 kilometers. Still I did Kanyakumari ride on that, which is okay. I mean, the chain and the sprocket doesn't break as per the mechanic, so yeah, I trusted him and nothing happened. Just lube the chain time to time. That's it. I want to share something regarding to a chain and the sprocket assembly which is gone. So usually around 10 to 12,000 kilometers Duke 390's chain and the sprocket कोई काम का नहीं रहता. I know this is very less, but there's nothing you can do about it. So if your chain and the sprocket starts making noise like khar 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 khar, this kind of noise, then you shouldn't tighten up the chain a lot. You should keep it loose if you're not planning to change the chain and the sprocket. Then you should keep it little bit loose and keep lubing it, but don't stress out your chain a lot like I am doing. Maximum 15,000 kilometers, guys. If it starts making sound at any point, after that 3 or 4,000 kilometers is fine, but I don't recommend a lot, because anything can go wrong if you're going on a long ride. So yes, I'm going on a long ride very very soon, so I'll update it later. Let's take this right turn. Oi. What kind of U-turn is this, buddy? Ow! Alright, let's hit the service center. I hope we have Ram Bhai here. क्या राम भाई, कैसे? गंदा हाथ. चेन स्प्रॉकेट बदलना है. हाँ, हो जाएगा. So I'm done with the chain sprocket change, and one of my subscriber came here, so so sweet of him. So by the way guys, this is the change sprocket and the chain. The wax, initial coating of the wax is there, so I don't need to lube it right now. And yes, thanks for coming. He just came, you know, to give me company. Finally I got the bite of the power of Duke 390. You know, it's feeling really good. So it feels really good now. The power delivery is you know, lenient as it should be for Duke 390. Then the wobbling of the chain and the sound and the feedback on my left leg, it is reduced. So the chain slider gets damaged when you use your chain sprocket a lot, even if it is worn out. So in the video you saw, if the chain slider is scratched a lot, then you should, you know, go for a new one. It costs like around 180 rupees, so you know, that is fine. Now a lot of you guys ask me this question, that is it important to change the chain and the sprocket when it makes noise? Well, I would say it is not urgent. Yes, it is important, but it is not urgent. Now in urgent I mean that you know, your chain and the sprocket won't break. Don't worry about that, it will not break. My chain sprocket went off before my Kanyakumari ride, and I did 4,000 kilometers ride. After that I have ridden this bike for 2,000 kilometers more in the city, so almost like 6,000 kilometers before I should have changed the chain sprocket, but I didn't. I changed it right now, so not a problem. ऐसा कुछ होगा नहीं भाई लोग, so don't worry. But yes, of course you shouldn't keep using the chain and the sprocket when it is making noise for like 10,000 kilometers, right? Don't exploit the the chalta hai attitude. You can change it. You can travel for some time, you know, ride for a few thousand kilometers, but change it around 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers more. So I think 15,000 kilometers for one chain sprocket is fine. It will start making noise after 10,500. It really depends on how you maintain your chain, so that really matters, and how you ride, by the way. So keep lubing the chain, keep maintaining the chain, and it should work. Please stay tuned on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I'm highly active on Instagram, by the way, and also I come live on Instagram. I try to come live on Instagram every week. So if you want to ask me some questions, you can ask me over there. You can directly contact me over there on Instagram. You can directly send me a message there, and on Facebook also you can do. So Facebook comes with all the channel updates, and Instagram comes with all my personal as well as channel updates. What the fuck is this in the middle of the road, man? A lot of people commented on my previous chain sprocket change video that what is the teeth size. The teeth size is 45. So for those who want the size, 45 is the size. I don't know why you want, but yeah, 45 is the size. Chalo, thanks for coming. Thank you. So he is my subscriber, Abhishek. I posted on Instagram that I'm at the service center, and he came from Mulund, all the way from Mulund to meet me. So that's really good. Oh, so guys, it is so hot. Oh my god. लगने वाले हैं बहुत solid लगने वाले हैं. Long ride in this kind of heat, solid लगने वाले हैं. Guys, be ready for that. So that's about it. ये गर्मी में भाई बात करने का भी दम नहीं रहा. I'll see you guys in some other place, of course, in some another vlog. Until next time, keep wandering. Peace out. Ride is coming soon. Stay tuned on my Instagram and Facebook, guys. Bye. हाँ, बहुत प्यास लगी है, बहुत गर्मी है. Let's get DC, guys.